Hey guys, today we're going to be making Hollywood Studios carrot cake cookie. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started. You're going to need a box of cake mix, eggs, and vegetable oil. Go ahead and start by pouring your cake mix into a large bowl. Crack 3 large eggs. Add 3/4 cup of water and 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. Go ahead and mix this on low for 30 seconds and then medium for 2 minutes. Now we're going to go ahead and spoon our mixture into cookie-like shapes. I used a 1/2 cup. This ends up being way too big. I would suggest 1/4 cup or just literally like 2 or 3 spoonfuls. Because I do use more, I ended up cooking it for 20 minutes instead of 10 at 350 degrees. So if you do smaller portions, go ahead and cook it at 10 and see how it goes. Now let's move on to the mixture. Cream cheese, powdered sugar, vanilla extract, and crushed pineapple. You're going to start with a cup of powdered sugar, an entire stick of butter or 8 tablespoons, 8 ounces of cream cheese, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Next, you're going to add a 1/2 cup of crushed and drained pineapple juice. I ended up using a towel just to kind of squeeze all that excess juice out, but you can also use a strainer. Now go ahead and blend all that up till it's relatively smooth. And as you can see, these turned out huge for a 1/2 cup, but they actually turned out really good too. I'm going ahead and putting them on a wired rack so they can cool down. Something I found appropriate was these 3 actually ended up coming together to make a hidden Mickey. So you're going to go ahead and take 1 slice of your cake and put it down. Next, you're going to top it with as much of the cream cheese filling as you want. I kind of went a little crazy with it, but once you taste it, you probably will too. It tastes absolutely amazing. Now go ahead and top your second half on there. And there you have it, a Hollywood Studios carrot cake cookie, and it literally tastes exactly the same. This is by far my favorite dessert I've ever made, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like this video because I'm going to have a lot more Disney treats coming soon. Thank you guys so much for watching.